one active case at the International Criminal Court has been brought by 400 Rohingya women who were raped or witnessed rape in Myanmar. Well, Antonia Mulvey, Executive Director of Legal Action Worldwide, and is representing the Rohingya women in that case.
When I was 16 years old, I read an Amnesty report about a woman who'd been stoned to death, and I sat and I cried on the stairs. And then I said to myself, well, crying will not change anything. And at that point, I decided that I should do something. Legal Action Worldwide is a network and think tank of human rights lawyers, predominantly women working in fragile and conflict-affected areas. We work on the front lines. We support those national lawyers, particularly women lawyers, because unfortunately, still to date, it is women and girls who suffer the most sexual violence.
My Rohingya brothers and sisters were killed. My husband and mother were killed. I am the only Rohingya woman that could leave Bangladesh to tell you what happened to hundreds of thousands of us. I am here on behalf of Shanti Mohila, a group of Rohingya women who also fled the violence and who have come together to raise our voices. The name Shanti Mohila means peace women, and we want peace in Myanmar.
In 2013, we started working on Somalia. At that time, the level of sexual violence was so high that if you were a victim, you were more likely to be arrested for reporting rape than the perpetrator. We started drafting the Somali Sexual Offences Bill. At that time, the current Prime Minister now said to me, Antonia, there is no way you will draft that legislation.
Vital legislations on human rights such as the soon-to-be approved Sexual Offences Bill provide the tools to fight impunity of sexual perpetrators.
In South Sudan, the United Nations is investigating more than one NGO is taking legal action against the government.
Legal Action Worldwide filed a complaint against the government of South Sudan on behalf of 30 women who say they were raped by members of the military.
Have there been any cases like this in the past, specifically to do with South Sudan?
There hasn't been any case that's been taken against the government since the conflict began in 2013, which is shocking considering tens of thousands of women and girls have been subjected to brutal sexual violence.
There needs to be accountability, and accountability means bringing those who perpetrate these violations to justice. That is the missing link, and that is why Legal Action Worldwide found a gap.
We work in more than 10 countries across South Asia with the Rohingya, in Sri Lanka, in Africa, in Uganda, South Sudan, Somalia, and in the Middle East, in Lebanon, Syria, and next year into Iraq.
We're going to push down every door that we come across because that's what our clients have instructed us to do.
What is the purpose of sexual violence? It is destroy the very fabric of the community and the individuals. Law works with them to be able to hold their head up and to say, I have survived and I will live to tell the story for those that have died on behalf of your children, your husband,